What's good, YouTube? It's AO Eli, and we back with another video. So today, I want to start a new series where I do my daily recaps every single day, whether I take a trade or not, so I can show y'all what y'all could potentially have taken a trade, or with myself, you know what I'm saying, could have potentially taken a trade. And we're going to get right into it. I want to do this every day so we can build up a foundation and consistency, you know what I'm saying, right? If we trade or not, just so we can see the charts, you know what I'm saying. I know a lot of y'all like, hey, Eli, where you been? You haven't been on TikTok, you haven't been posting anything, but I'm back, and I'm better, you know what I'm saying? So, I took 2 months off. I don't know if y'all seen my last video. I took 2 months off to study hard. I went crazy in the ICT mentorship. I got a whole book worth of, can y'all see that? I can't really see, but I got a whole book worth of ICT mentorship, trading strategies and analogies and things of that nature. So we're gonna lock right back in. I'm coming back on YouTube with a different type of energy, different type of vibe. Just locking straight in. First thing and foremost, praise the Lord. Let's get right into it. Okay, first off, we're gonna do a replay so we can see the 3 a.m. time frame. So first off, starting off, let's kill all this. First thing we want to do, you know what I'm saying, we always mark off our previous daily's highs and previous daily lows. You get what I'm saying? Previous daily high, previous daily low. And I'm going to post one of these videos every single day. Because this is going to be, you know, not just for me, but for y'all. Because I went on my analytics and I seen that a lot of people liked the recap video, you know what I'm saying, that I posted. The one with the $600, the recap video. And y'all actually was watching that video. So, I think I'm going to do another one. And, yeah. So, first off, let's go right into it. We got our daily highs, which is, our previous daily high. I'm clicking the wrong button, which is right here. And right here, right? So, from this low to this high is the price range of this previous daily candle, you know what I'm saying? And the reason that we are talking to those because those are high levels of liquidity that every single day the market looks forward to going to from the next day. So just like, let's find this out. Just like this candle, you see this candle right here? This day took out this low, you get what I'm saying? So let's put the low right here. Let's put the candle right here. So this is the previous day to the previous day, which is this candle right here. And I'm gonna mark it right here so you can see. Bang, right? And when this candle opened right here above. This candle open right here came down below, took out that liquidity. You know what I'm saying? It opened up and took this liquidity out right here. And you know what I'm saying? That's what they do every single day. Either take out the previous day high or the low. You know what I'm saying? Either or. And that's what we're looking for. So bang. Then I went on the hourly time frame. I say, what do we have on the hourly time frame? So what do I see on the hourly time frame? I see that we got a fair value gap right here, so I marked it off. A bullish one at that, you get what I'm saying? Fair value gap. And then I go back on the daily time frame. I say, let's see where we is. So we already broke structure to the upside, you know what I'm saying? With this candle right here, with these candles, these multiple candles going up. So I can say potentially the next level that we're looking forward to is this sell side liquidity that's up here. You know what I'm saying? That's what I'm looking forward to taking out. Hourly fair value gap right here. Ooh. Let's go. Got this hourly fair value gap right here. And I said, ooh, okay. Bang. Then from there, what I'm looking forward to. I go on a 30 minute time frame. And then I look at the sessions highs and lows, right? So we had Asia session high right here. So I marked it off. And we had Asia session down here, right? Asia session tapped into this fair value gap, right? So I'm going to mark right here. Put Asia high. Asia low, and I'm just marking off, you know, where we potentially could take some trades at. Asia low. I'm just showing y'all like the strategy, the new strat, because I'm coming out crazy. All right. So then from there, we got Asia high, Asia low. What we looking forward to is taking out either Asia high or Asia low to enter a trade. If that's not what we're getting, we're not looking forward to getting a trade. You know what I'm saying? Because first thing is liquidity. We don't get no liquidity, we ain't getting in the trade. If we don't get a liquidity pool, how can we get in the water? No, sir. All right. But potentially, let me show y'all what we could have taken a trade. So bang. Going into New York session, which would be 8:30 time frame. which will be the next kill zone, 8:30. So I'm gonna put my 8:30 for the kill zone. 8:30 to 11 o'clock is the kill zone. Bang, right? So where here could we have taken a trade? Right, okay, bang. So I see in London session that we previously, we previously took out Asia low, right? So in here, from here, I will be looking for a break of structure or change in state of delivery to the upside. You get what I'm saying? Because we just took out Asia low. You get what I'm saying? Which is liquidity, right? Bang. From here on this time frame, I'm gonna show y'all. This is the hour. This is a 30-minute, right? Let me do the hourly. On the hourly time frame, from high to low, right? From the swing level, from this high to this low, which is the swing level, right? In this 0.5% is equilibrium, which is a discount. Let me show y'all on a different one. Here, bang, here to here. So let me make it 0.2 so y'all can see. All right, I can't do that, but cool. Yeah, I can. Bang. So y'all see this 0.5 level below this line is discount, right? So let me write it out. Discount. But above it, did I spell that right? Yeah. Above it is premium. Bang, right? So this is what I would have marked off. From this high, and this is an hourly swing level. This high to this low, right? Cool. Then I would have went down to the 15-minute. I say, okay, we have this discount below this red line, right? And what else do we also have below that discount? Which is our PD array, which is this fair value gap. You get what I'm saying? So it tapped into, so from the premium, because anytime you in a premium, you want to take your buys in the discount. Anytime you in the sale market, you want to take your sales in the premium. Yeah, right. Did I say that right? Oh no, but come on. Let me say it right. When you want to take buys, you want to take buys in the discount. When you want to take sales, you want to take it in the premium, basically. So bang. So now I'm gonna go to the 15-minute. I go back, and this is opening New York session. I go in the 5-minute, right? And I'm looking for a breaker structure to the upside because I already know we came below this equilibrium line, and now we tapping into that fair value gap. That's all I need right there. You get what I'm saying? Now I'm looking for a break above right here, which will be my. It could really be this one, but this one I would play it safe with this one because this is a swing. This is a swing level. You know what I'm saying? This the last low swing level. So I will pick this one, and I'll put that 0.2. And that's the one I will go for. You could have went for this one if you wanted to, but this one would have been smarter. And then from there, what I went for, we got this break. We got this change of state delivery right here off this line, and then we got this fair value gap right here. Bang, and right here could have been a trade right here. Could have been a trade right here. And I would have put my lows. If you want to go lower off the 1 or the 2 or the 3, actually let's go lower. Let's go lower. But that's a 5-minute entry right there. Let's go 2-minute. Right? Let's take that off. Bang. Let's go 2-minute entry. Here. Okay, bang. Here we go right here. Changing the state of delivery. Let me put a different one. And this is the 2-minute entry. So we got 2 entries already. We could have entered off the 2-minute and off the 5-minute. You get what I'm saying? So bang. Here we go. Bang. Right? Change the state of delivery. And we got a fair value gap right here, which it tapped into. And this could have been an optimal trade. Right here. Fair value gap. Then from here. So let me mark out CSID so you can see what I see. Bang, right here, right? Changing the state and delivery. Then you would put your long position. You would have said a buy limit for right here. Once it came down to top back into that fair value gap, you would have targeted. I would target this one, this low, right above that low. Because if it go down below that low, it is not coming back to yours. It's not coming back down to you. So I would have went to the 15-minute time frame, 15 minutes time frame, and then scaled to the next high, which could have been this one right here. This could have been your first TP, all the way up to here, right? Or you could have just targeted Asia high. You get what I'm saying? So I would have took what? This could have been TP1. That's a short take profit. TP2, and then TP3. You get what I'm saying? Bang. Off the ski easy. And let's see how long it would have took you. And they're still in that kill zone. So you would have entered off this trade at what time? You would have entered this trade at 8:45. So you'd have had to been up at 8:30. You know what I'm saying? To get this trade in the next 10, 15 minutes. But if we would have missed that trade, if we missed the 8:30 one, let's see what we could have got in at the New York Open. So that's the first one we could have did. Market recap. Bang. Let's get to the second one. All right, so let's get right into it, y'all. So 9:30 open was here, right? So into the 9:30 open on the 5-minute, we have a fair value gap already, based just off that, right? So 9:30 would have hit, and it would have opened up. Hold on, let me try to put it perfect so y'all can see it. Let me change the color so y'all can see it. It's like a mini fair value gap, right? Bang. Mini fair value gap. Let's scale down so you can still see the price and structure. So right here, 9:30 open, lower up close, right, and it formed the fair value gap right here, right? So let's say, okay, cool. The next candle, 9:35, 9:40, you could have got another entry. You get what I'm saying? But we would have scaled down, scale down to the 2-minute. Let's see if we see anything. We don't see anything based off of that, right? So we say, cool. Off the 5-minute, if you were watching this 5-minute, you could have got the scalp in. But if you wasn't watching the 5-minute and you would have scaled down to the 2-minute or the 1-minute, you'd have kept going. You would say, okay, 9:30 open is here off this candle. Here. Okay, 9:50, 10 o'clock. 9:54 will be in your next open to trade. You get what I'm saying? Next open. Bang. With that fair value you got right there. Because we still bullish, remember. Remember on the daily time frame. we looking to go forward to this sell side liquidity. So my daily bias is already bullish. You get what I'm saying? So I know that the algorithm is looking forward to going to that sell side liquidity. You get what I'm saying? I was gonna say something else to y'all, but that's not the terminology anymore. So bang. Let's go here. Back to here, 5-minute. Not there, 2-minute. All right, bang. So at 9:54, we could have took an entry right here. You get what I'm saying? Right in here. And it could have potentially been one on the 1-minute too. So I'm gonna check the 1-minute as well. 1 minute. Let's see. So 1 minute or the 2-minute could have been either or. You get what I'm saying? Either or. Right? So we say bang. We put our long position here. Off this one. Bang. And I would have set mine below here. Right? Bang. And potentially off this trade, you may or may would have got stopped out because of this low right here. But if you would have set yours at the lowest low, you'd have been good. So bang, right? Off this, let's go to the 2-minute. Right? So at 9:54, we created this fair value gap, came up, touched Asia high. You know what I'm saying? Didn't really do nothing to it. Didn't even hit it. It just barely scooped it. Came back down, filled this fair value gap, and went back up to create a short-term high. To come back down to take out 9:30 open once again, and then it rallied just all the way up to take out Asia high. You know what I'm saying? Because that could have been the second trade if, you know what I'm saying, you would have set your stop loss low. Because if you'd have set your stop loss off that fair value gap, you'd have been taken out. But if you'd have set it off, if you'd have set your stop loss off this line, off the second one, you would have been good. But if you'd have set your stop loss off that fair value gap, which is this candle right here, you would have been out of there, buddy. You'd have got stopped out, right out. You know what I'm saying? So, yeah, with further ado, that would have been for that. And then let me see what else we could have done at 3 o'clock. Yeah, I think I'm gonna leave it there. I'm gonna leave it there. But if you see up here around 1400, which is 250, and I don't think anybody trading around that time. But just for all y'all that is, this is the highest high right now of the day. This has been the highest high of the day. So from here off the 15-minute, we have a fair value gap right here, and then a retracement down, breaking down, changing the state of delivery off the 15-minute. This only if you was watching the 15-minute, and it touched back in, and then it just went short. So sell all the way back down onto. So all the way back down onto this fair value gap, which I would have got it out right there. I would got off the high of this fair value gap, which is this candle right here. Let me scroll, which is this candle right here. So yeah, without further ado, man, make sure I drop a sub, drop a like. It's your boy L Eli. Stay tuned for more recaps coming soon in the next videos. If y'all done already, I'm out here.